everyone, this is Cherry. Welcome back to I Love Thai Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai green curry paste from scratch. This recipe is an authentic recipe. I also give substitutions for ingredients that are hard to find and vegetarian option. Let's get started. First thing first, prepare our dry ingredients. We will toast coriander seeds and cumin seeds. When they start to smell nice, take them out of the pan and leave them to cool down. Don't use them when they are still hot and don't burn them. Pound white peppercorns and toasted coriander seeds and cumin seeds. When they are very fine, leave them in a separate bowl. We will add them bit by bit when we pound our paste in a mortar and pestle. Make sure you remove all the seeds from the green chillies. Then cut them to small pieces. Add green chillies and half a teaspoon of rock salt in mortar and pestle. Then pound them until you get the smooth paste. Now add the Thai sweet basil leaves and continue pounding them with the chilies. The sweet basil leaves will help us to get the green color in our paste. You can add a little of our dry ingredients and half teaspoon of rock salt at this point. They will help to prevent the mixture from getting too wet and will help provide friction to mash everything together. Add galangal, lemongrass, Kaffir lime leaves, coriander roots. Add some dry ingredients and pound them together. When they are fine, add some shallots. Add garlic, and pound them together. Now I would like to show you that this process can be done in a food processor. It's easier and your paste will look very fine. Personally, I prefer using the mortar and pestle because when grinding with stone, more oil and aromas come out. Before blend them, add shrimp paste or miso paste for vegetarian option. Here goes the rest of our dry ingredients. At this point, you can add half teaspoon of salt. So now we have got very smooth paste. I love to finish them in mortar and pestle. Look at The beautiful curry paste is very fresh and smells so nice. Now you are ready to make your Thai green curry. Green curry paste will be okay in the fridge for up to 4 weeks and for up to 12 weeks in the freezer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the notification bell to never miss a video.